Hello friends, midweek deals, Walgreens, Dollar General, and Meijer. Oh my gosh, so buckle up. This is going to be a really great video if you want to do some midweek deals at one of these stores. Meijer Midwest only as well. So we're going to start off with everybody's favorite. That is Walgreens, a store that always delivers. This morning we got these boosters that will begin on the 10th of May, which is Sunday. So Mother's Day right till the 16th. Go and load them right away and then come back to the video and we will dazzle you with some deals. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. So an issue a lot of us was dealing with from Sunday, I think right till Tuesday, people were complaining in the comments where certain sales item, such as the Listerine, for example, Head and Shoulders, for example, ringing up full price and not the sales price. You really have to pay attention to this because especially if you're doing a deal with a booster, this can really mess things up because you can return an item, but your booster, you will lose it as well. You will kind of forfeit it. So just really pay attention to that. And a lot of stores have been modifying all of the items. So if they know your Listerine is $7, they'll just do a key-in modification. Don't be shy to ask for it and really look at that pin pad at the register. Pay attention that if you're buying something for $7, it's ringing up for $7, not $9.79. Honestly, you'll get a surprise at checkout because they'll be like, that'll be like $7,000. And you'll be like, oh, that's wrong. So just really pay attention, guys. The first piece of business that we have are these 60-count dryer sheets for $3.79. We have that $3 digital. It'll drop it down to 79 cents. And as I was saying earlier, it doesn't ring up properly. That's the sales price this week. So this one really has to ring up for $3.79 or modify it. If it's completely cleared at your location, you have until Saturday the 9th to go into store or do this curbside to get it for 79 cents. Now, I'm also going to say that if you're going to buy $35 of P&G products, you're going to get this back, which is a 7 off. At the top, it has a very quick expiry date. As you can see, mine expires on the 7th. So pay attention. Don't throw these in your wallet and just hope and pray they work next week because a lot of them will expire. So I'm doing a basket with this booster, a 7 back when you spend $35. I also had a paper booster that I put into my basket. And I just got $38 of merchandise that includes 3 of these Olay body washes. They're $8. They ring up perfectly for me. The Head and Shoulders are $7 each. The cashier had to modify it, and I actually had to explain it to her. And she was like, yep, no problem. And just boom, 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 done. Very nice cashier, too. These are the digital coupons that I loaded for this little fun adventure. The 7 off of 3 for the Olay. It's for either the body wash or the bar soap. I went with bar soap this time. And then the 4 off the 2 for the Head and Shoulders, which is a really great one. Now, my understanding is that Fetchtopia is over, but if I go to my Fetch account, I still have 9,000 points when you spend 50. And with the purchase of the body wash and the Head and Shoulders, I just under $10, 9,800. So, yep. So just to run through this again, remember we're in store class, 3 Olay bar soaps for 24, 2 Head and Shoulders for 14 for a total of 38. Had that digital booster loaded. I had $11 in digital manufacturers, a 7 and a 4. So with my debit card, I paid $27, got back $7 in Walgreens cash, $15 in register rewards, and $9 back from Fetch, making this free plus a $4 moneymaker. Double, triple check that your Fetch rebate is the same as mine. If it's different, you might not get as much. Remember not to use Walgreens cash as you're using that booster. And these are my register rewards. A 7 back for spending $35 on P&G products. The 5 back for buying 3 of the Olays. And a 3 back for buying 2 Head and Shoulders. So a neat and tidy little deal. Now, because those register rewards were expiring kind of quick, I wanted to throw them into Listerine. We are a Listerine household. Between my husband and I, we use this twice a day. And I always hate it when he runs out and he starts using mine, or he'll tell me like the day it runs out. 10 back when you buy 20. and it avoids a lot of fights in the house. And we have this one chintzy dollar digital coupon. Now, as I was talking about those register rewards, I threw all of these in. When you are at the register, ask the cashier, can you scan each barcode? And if they allow to scan whatever, all of these will apply. And they applied for me when I did this on Monday. So here it is, guys, grabbing 3 of these mouth rinses at $7 a pop. And remember, it didn't ring up properly for me. So that was, they had to modify it. So that's 21, 7 times 3. Subtracting the $1 digital and the $15 in register rewards, you're paying $5, getting back a $10 register reward. I think this is a super smart flip, especially if you use Listerine. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and this is not a bad little deal. Okay, and just to give you guys eyes on the register reward, here it is. $10 off any health and beauty product, $10 or more, compliments of Kenvu. And that's for the last deal this printed out. Now, I can't do another Kenvu deal or it won't print, but this expires on the 18th, so I have some time to use it. The baby wipes are also 75% off at 49 cents. So if you want to use a register reward or a little bit of Walgreens cash, this is a fantastic one, especially, you know, with the summer trips rolling around. This is always a smart thing to have in your purse, even if you don't have a baby. There's nothing worse than spilling like a soda or something like that and having a nice sticky mess. The power wash is $4.99. We have a $2 digital, making it $2.99. This is a very good deal any way you slice the pie, especially for power wash. I think most stores it's close to like, you know, under $7 now for this because they know they're selling gold in a bottle. This is one fantastic product. We also have these Dawn power washes, and they are the larger ones. They're $2.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, it's $5.98. Subtracting that 2 off of 2, you're paying $3.98 for the 2, or it's $1.99 for these 18 ounces of the Dawn dish soap. And it's next to that baby one, so you know you're grabbing the large or the mid-size one. Not a bad little deal. Okay, now we're going to go to everybody's second favorite store, Dollar General, or it might be your favorite. I'm just being silly. There was a huge surprise penny list yesterday that was released. One item I forgot to mention are these refills of the soft soap. They have been living rent-free for 7 billion years in the clearance section, or you might see them on a sky shelf. Here it is. It has a little heart in the back for the UPC. Here's the UPC. And it's a penny. And depending if your store still has them, I know they moved a lot of these to the dollar spot, and they were $2 for the longest time, and nobody was ever buying them. But lemon hand soap, I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that. And so if you ring this up in store and it's showing as 0.00, you're using that Dollar General app. I will link a video at the very end if you need a tutorial on how to use the Dollar General app to find pennies. So here it is, 0.00 at the register. It should ring up a penny. So how lovely is that? Here's one of my receipts from yesterday, because I know there's some of you that probably won't believe what I'm talking about. But yeah, everything was ringing up for a penny, and it was absolutely glorious. And it was just one of these days where, you know, just everything works out perfectly. And I was so delighted with everything. Like, it was just like fantastic. A+ day. I'm just going to show you other noteworthy items that I would absolutely keep an eye out for, including the scrubbing bubbles, this refill, and here's the UPC. So I was talking about this yesterday. There is a 50-cent cashback with a limit of up to 5 times if it's still there. Plus, IBOTTA has a $1.25 back. So if you can find multiples, do different transactions so you can get both the cashback and the IBOTTA money rocking and rolling for you. But double, triple check that this is still there for you, because they might remove it or whatever. But even for a penny item, it was still triggering it for me yesterday, which was like super. And then here's my IBOTTA, $1.25 back. So it was like $6 and some change that I got back with this one. And I wasn't sure that IBOTTA would give me the money back. I was kind of nervous about it, but I still got it. Yesterday's video, I will link it also, because there's even more items that I got in case you want to see the full list, but I'm just going through some of my favorites. We have this little fantastic, you guessed it, 1 penny. There is no rebate for this friend. It's just a penny. And then we also have the Windex. This is also a refill. This one, I only found a handful of them. I didn't find a huge amount. And it was also 1 cent, which I absolutely love. Now, in that dollar spot, you know that whole aisle where everything's a buck? They have these travel size Huggies, and they are the Snug and Dry ones. Size 4 and size 3, different bags. You guessed it, all of these are a penny, and I'm just going to show you guys the UPCs here. Look on the sky shelves too, because I found a couple boxes of them, and one of the managers saw what I was doing. He's like, "Do you want those at the top?" Because I think he thought I was just buying diapers just because. I'm like, "Yes," and then he just gave them all to me. So that was really another great moment. Okay, the last store that we're at is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. The first deal, I want to give full credit to Rolling Coupon Moms. She is an Instagrammer from Michigan, same state. Really good friend of mine. She's just got a great sense of humor, and she's also very newbie friendly. Go and follow her on Instagram. She's fantastic. So with this, the 15 off of 50, this is from last week, and it's valid right till the end of the month. But this deal you can only do this week, and we are in the new week over at Walgreens. They start on Wednesday. So I'm just going to show you everything to throw in the basket. All these Gain products that are $9.99, I believe, and each of them have a $5 digital. Can you believe that? So if you missed out last week, like I got so busy at the Dollar General, I didn't do all of my store cards. So this is definitely the deal I'm going to do this week. So we have that liquid, a scent booster, and then this beautiful softener. A lot of people prefer Gain over Tide as well. I think they have stronger perfume notes. And I'm just going to show you guys the digital coupons to load all of these $5 ones. Also adding to the basket, we have this $9.99 Downy softener, always a favorite, and there's a $2 digital for this. And the final item is a box of dryer sheets. And we have another, we have 2 more boxes of dryer sheets. And I'm not going to scream about that. I love getting cheap dryer sheets. So we have the one with the dog, and then this just regular, I think it's called Outdoor Fresh. And we have $2 for each of these. And then just to show you the digital coupons, boom, boom, boom. That's an additional $6 right there. Okay, so the overall total is $54.94. After all the magic, it's $14.94. So use your shop and scan. So just to make sure that we're on the same page when you're in store, just to make sure that everything's coming off properly. But this, like for 50, almost, guys, I don't even have words for this. This is what extreme couponing is about. If you missed it last week, this is the deal to do. Okay, we're also going to talk a clearance find that I found. It's the Cafe Nara dog treats, and they're 29 cents. So I think that it probably, I don't know, they sent too many to one store, or it wasn't supposed to arrive up here. But 90% off, and they don't expire for a couple years. I have some neighbors with dogs, so this will be a perfect little treat. And for 29 cents, why not? Another coupon deal that I think is absolutely spectacular this week is these I Love You squeeze treats. And they are $3.15, which is a bit expensive. We do have a BOGO free coupon, so load this one. And over on IBOTTA, there's a rebate for 50 cents back on each one. And hopefully you'll get both. So just load it and try and apply. It would make it much, much better for you. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $6.30. Subtracting the BOGO free, you're going to pay $3.15. Photograph it to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it $2.15 for the 2. Not a bad little deal. I have one little cat that goes through one of these per day. And if he doesn't get one now, I'm in trouble. So I need to stock up. A lot of you guys probably think I just make stuff up morning, noon, and night, and possibly maybe, but here's the troublemaker. If he doesn't get one of those treats, I'm in big trouble, and you can tell he's not messing around. The last deal, I think every company is making these treats right now. They're these tubes, and they're very popular. I don't know what they put in it, but very popular. So these ones by Friskies, we have a 2 off of 2, and they are $2.99 each. So, you would grab 2 bags of those for $5.98. Over on IBOTTA, there is 75 cents back, so you'll get $1.50 back. Not bad. And if you're new to this and you're a Midwest shopper, a lot of Meijer deals are kind of hinged with IBOTTA. Sign up today, link in the description. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, an additional $5 bonus with my code. Check out the link, apply today for IBOTTA. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $5.98. Subtracting that $2 coupon, you're paying $3.98. $1.50 back from IBOTTA, making it $2.48 for the 2. A super, super deal. That's it for this video. Dollar General stuff, link right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.